Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how you can hide any page you want from your website. So, how do we do that? We do that by installing a special plugin. How do we install the plugin? So, on the left hand side, we're gonna click on plugins, left click on that, and after that, right next to plugins, it should be a button that says add a new plugin. Left click on that. Wait for it to load, and after it loads, on the right hand side, you're gonna see this search plugins right here. So we're gonna type unlist posts, click enter, and it should basically give us this right here, this plugin, unlist posts and pages. We're gonna install that plugin. Wait for it to install, and after it installs, it should change to activate. Left click on that, and after it activates, it's gonna take us to this page right here. So we have the unlist posts and pages plugin. Right now, we're gonna go to all pages, and we're just gonna choose the page we want to hide. Let's say it's the About Us page. In the About Us page, on the right side, so we're gonna scroll down to the bottom, and you're gonna find a new option, which is the Unlist Post. So we're gonna left click on Unlist this post, and we are just going to click on Publish, and that should be it. So we have successfully hidden this page right here, which can be only viewed by the URL right now. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.